might express our strong opposition to the government attempt to ram through this proposal to designate those who are clearly in government, who have supported the government, to designate them as other members. It's ridiculous to see the tortuous attempts that government is making now to facilitate the Lowry lackeys by this attempt to shoehorn
Respect, Deputy.
To shoehorn
Thank you. Deputy, respect. Respect for other deputies.
I'll withdraw that remark.
Yeah, it's withdrawn. Enough. It has been withdrawn. Move
I'll
on,
withdraw
Deputy.
the remark. To facilitate the group led by Michael Lowry, the proposal put forward by government Taoiseach doesn't even make grammatical sense, it doesn't make legal sense. It would apply to members of Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael to designate a body of members who are not in opposition.
Deputy Cian O'Callaghan. Thank you, Deputy. Back to you.
And we are opposed
Deputy Cian O'Callaghan
to this.
I've observed with some interest the growing Labour Party Sinn Féin Party alliance in this House. But I have to say that the opposition...
Deputies.
The opposition keep using the phrase at Ceann Comhairle that the government is trying to ram through. It seems to me that the opposition have been trying to ram through a new order in the House and a new precedent. This is an important matter here.
It is an important matter.
I've heard everybody.
Well,
and a new
QPL has
precedent.
been compromised.
And it seems to be now the new order that Deputy MacDonald and Deputy Patrick will dictate who forms the group in this House. Now we have freedom of association.
Deputy, just resume your seat. Deputy, resume your seat.
It's a fundamental basic principle that people are allowed to associate with whom they like. It's the first point. That has been denied here for the first time since I became a member of Dáil. I've never seen this before. And there's been a bit of a herd-like attitude to this debate amongst opposition and indeed some commentators as well. People have not looked at the fundamental principles underpinning all of this. And what I would say is in the next 6 weeks alone, there will be 90 priority questions will be asked in this Dáil. Sinn Féin will have 47 of them, Labour 12, Soc Dems 11, backbenchers on the government side, absolutely none. Now, I would say,
look,
the people,
if you don't want to hear the question, if you don't want to hear the answer, we'll move on to the
people who elected their TDs.
Thanks, Taoiseach.
The people who elected,
with
respect to Ceann Comhairle, I've had to listen to 5
But
or 6
Taoiseach,
minutes.
the point is they don't want to listen, so we'll just move to the vote.
I want to make a point.
To the vote.
The people have elected TDs, okay?
Please.
I think people would be shocked.
Please.
I think people would be shocked at the idea that their TDs don't have the right to speak, don't have the right to ask questions.
20 minutes, Taoiseach, to address Mike Collins.
Whether they're in a political party or not in a political party.
Deputy Collins.
And we're not going to be railroaded or browbeaten or intimidated by the opposition in terms of its tactics.
Taoiseach.